Louis, Mark. Mark Louis.
Yava. You can use
What?
this to sing for Luis. You can use this
Okay.
trumpet. Yeah, use that. Just hold that one.
Wow, moral boost. Uy, ba't parang ano na siya? Uy, man! Run! Save your life, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is wrong with this skeleton shit guy, man?
Yan yung naghaan sa atin.
Ikaw nga, ba't di ka niya tinatarget? Unfair? My goodness. Nah, bruv, this is harassment. This is, What? Ba't di ka niya tinatarget? Ako lang.
Kung alam
This is mis...
Oh no. Yava? Yava? Oh shit, saan ka na? Shit. Uy! Uy, let her go! Uy, puta ina! Yavs?
Hello, can you hear me? Nah, bruv, this game is biased. Ba't ikaw lang nakasurvive, ba? They targeted the women in this group. Nah, this is misogynism. This is misogynism, man. I will report this game. Ko pa talaga. Mark, ang tagal mo. You missed the drama, man. Di mo ba nakita? I was targeted by a fucking skeleton. Ha? Ako pa talaga yung first na tinarget. Tingnan mo, the skeleton is just passing by si Jebby. What the hell is going on? Mark! Kanta-kanta ka dyan, di mo tinutulangan yung ano. Kumakanta-kanta ka dyan. Oh my God, Mark! Dapat si Mark tahimik lang eh.
Ako tahimik? Kailan?
Bruv, this guy, man. This ain't no Mark.
All ka ng
Bakit
yellow?
Baliktad ka,
Marcos!
kabila.
Marcos Highway.
Takina, kalma lang.
My God!
Takina, wait lang. Sayang talaga, Luis, na mismo yun.
Sinta.
Shut up. I cannot get over sa misogynistic skeleton. It's just passing by si Jebby, ang puta.
Hindi, tinarget niya rin ako, nakita mo naman yan.
Nah, bruv. I don't feel accepted. Ano yun, ladies first?
Oh my god, this is so fun. Huwag ka na eh. Buti na lang na-record ko yan.
Shut up. Ay, that's not fun, man. Injustice. Women's rights.
Oy, sabi nyo, equal rights, oh. Ikaw yung...
Pwede.
Women's rights, sabi ko.
Kahit na equal rights na yan.
Shut up.
Saan ka na? Okay.
Di ko lang pinatay eh.
Tas.
Oh, kasi kwan daw, kailangan ng kwan, survivor to tell the tale.
Ang puta.
Yafa, dito. May rogue dito. Short ba? Okay, short.
Grab the rope, bro.
Thanks.
Oh my god.
Grab the rope, nigga.
No,
Racist.
bro, she's white. Call her a cracker. Come on, mate. At least recognize your colors.
I am yellow, bruv. Are you colorblind?
Yeah,
No, you're white. Pansit Canton.
Ang puta, pansit canton, gagi.
Yay, pansit canton.
Shut up. You black boy. Sing for us. Entertain us.
Dapat well cooked yan. Or well done.
Yeah.
Paano kung naksat na?
Ay puta. No.
Asan na si Mark? I-compare ko kay Mark yung kulay.
Gago.
Charot.
Fucking nigger.
Wow! Very racist sa kanyang kin. Uy, ano yun? Jeff, is that you?
No! May artifact ako dito, so just in case lang na namatay kayo, at least one I can revive you guys.
Wow.
Kaya hindi siya pansit
Ay,
kanton,
puta.
hindi parang mo.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Shut up, you black boy. Yes, I'm injured and hungry.
Of course.
Ako rin, injured and hungry kasi may sumabog malapit sa akin.
Oh, fuck.
I love, yan kasi, black ka kasi.
Ayun, thank you.
You should have let the
Taas
black boy
tayo,
die,
taas
man.
tayo.
Let the black kid die.
Tangina ka. Uy, what's with the racism today?
Ay, di bali pang ano natin, pang mid shield natin.
Meat shield. Gago.
Hade.
Tara.
Slave! Help me, slave!
What?
Just kidding.
Wala kayo dyan. Tangina.
Pansit kanton ka kasi.
Oh, Yava, look at this.
What's this?
A snow pile. And a snowball.
Oh. Puta. Nalalamigan na nga ako. Inaanong pa. May...
Oh.
What is this? Oh, may rope dito. Energy drink. Puta.
Oh my god. Yan no. Snow pile na naman.
I don't need that. I ain't immature like you. Charot. Puta. Kabalastugan. Kalapastangan.
Inang yan. That was so pathetic, bro.
Shut up, boy.
Wala talaga. Oh, yan. Oh,
Aray!
Oh, sorry.
I kick up
Sorry.
my shit.
Sorry. Sorry, hindi yan intentional. Hindi yan intentional, seryoso.
Pag ako talaga namatay, ayoko na. I have
Hmm?
to break the statue.
Yes, just hold E. Just hold E to break the statue.
Bakit? For what reason?
Kapag may namatay na player, you bitch. Basta, kaya mo yan.
Ayan, sabi ko sa'yo, di carry eh.
Kaya yan.
Manaapoyan ako. Nalitsun
Okay
na ako.
lang. Hindi, naging niga ka.
Siya. Hoy, ulul mo, well done, bakit?
Well done. Ratin ka. Sorry.
Overcook.
Ay putang inang rope yan.